Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to create outline text in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, then go to the Annotation tab. Select the Text Annotation tool and drag it to the timeline. Adjust the text content, font, size, color and alignment to your desired look. Look for the Visual Effects option. Select Border Effects from the Visual Effects menu. On the right side of the Camtasia interface, you should see a section for border settings. Enable the Use Alpha option. This will create an outline around your text. Use the available options to modify the thickness of the outline. You can also change the color of the outline to match your preference. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.